Bonjour, hello, welcome to MaxMountainWorld. Welcome to a very wet Les-Orres. Some people think our worst weather as such, like, you know, if you're out and about in it and stuff, is like snow and blizzards and stuff. Not so. Rain. Rain is the one biggest weather hate in the Alps. Let's go and have a look and I'll show you why. So I've already anticipated this, and I've been down to the workshops for the station and got some gravel. Put gravel down. It's this kind of last ditch effort. There's an absolute load of salt on there, same with the ramp down here, but I'll go down to the garage and have a little look down there, show you what I've done there too. With the temperatures hovering at just over zero now, I'm going to take a risk just for the sake of videoing. Oh, yeah. So, water on top of ice is about as slippy as it gets. You can see where the commune has put a load of gravel down. I keep an eye on what they do. They're not often wrong. Our ramp to our garage here, oh, there's avalanche cannons going off. And I've put loads of gravel there. Don't want anyone getting down here with a vehicle, because again, this is just lethal ice. But I've done my part there. The commune part here, I don't know. Taking a big risk walking on this. Right, I managed to get going again, although it is lethal down here. Whoa. And I've got quite grippy shoes on as well, as we're on the entrance exit from our place there, and this has been my doing this morning. I've been watching this from about 4 o'clock this morning, and just because huge safety factor involved with this. So just a quick look around at what types of weather do to my job and other things around the station here and stuff. Snowfalls, yeah, it's great. Rainfalls, it's horrible. It really is. So on the lookout here, I'll see what happens, see what I can pick up on the tail out here. But just a look around, and what I'll do is I'll start off with going up this path. Nothing like testing your own work. Thanks for watching. With this particular part of the public path being exposed, you can actually see, if I bring the camera right down, just how thick the snow is. Normally that's the same level. It's a good metre deep over in this place here. But anyway, yeah, I'm stalling off. So I'm going to test my work here. I think perhaps I could have done with a bit more at the bottom, but that, but that will wash down and people will walk it down. It's actually soft at the bottom there, so it's changing. This morning it was pretty hard, but when it softens up, the gravel will actually integrate in. It's actually pretty grippy. There's no problem there really, so good job. I pat myself on my back. So yeah, yucky weather until it gets a few degrees colder again. So I'll put this to the real test and do what our people will do, and that is try and walk down this. It's pretty good. Right, what it's going to be like to walk on that with ski boots on would be a whole different kettle of fish. But I'll take the same route I did on the way up. Soft stuff. And go and get me a coffee, I think. And of course this dampens down the popularity of it. The Prébois lift just about to start. It's 9 o'clock. I can count 4 people, one of which is an instructor. There's just no one else about. Guy firing up the tunnels and I don't know if it's snowy further up or not. Someone told me yesterday it was raining at the top, so a lot of the avalanche cannons have been going off this morning. They make one hell of a thump, as you heard at the beginning of the video there. So yeah. Here's my first guinea pig now. Bonjour, hello, good morning.
Bad weather.
It's not good. I think the real test will be with ski boots. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Job well done, I would say. Yeah, that's how slick it is. So just up to this, the Global headquarters, and the difference here is only 2 or 3 degrees. That is a whole difference. If this was 2 or 3 degrees colder, this would be absolutely fantastic. And I don't know if the camera's not good at picking up snowflakes and stuff, but this is turning to sleet. We're kind of on the 0 level today, so there is a chance it might turn to snow. It's snowing up the forest ahead there, so you just need to see. But until then,